The work is done on the change of scope system. B, sir, the expected date of completion is 31st 3 2021, sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir, may I know the details of this concessionaire, sir? The name of the party or organization engaged and the roles and responsibilities?
Sir, in fact, the agreement was signed between the Nahai and the concerned concessionaire. In fact, the detailed information is not with me right now. But of course, I think the concern of the honorable member from Umroi is about the completion of this Belly Bridge. I just wanted to inform the members of this August House. Day before yesterday, the Nahai authority has informed the state government that they have already handed over this portion for launching of laying of the belly. And yesterday, BRO has already taken over that portion, and now laying or launching of this belly has just started yesterday, sir. So we do hope by another 10-15 days time, this bridge will be able to operationalize.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I appreciate the reply of the Honorable Deputy CM, but my concern is also about the concessionaire, because the delay that we saw is because very few employees, sir. I pass through that area nearly every day. So the delay was very few employees were engaged. In some of the days, hardly 5, hardly 6 people were seen at the work site. So the responsibility is of this concessionaire to ensure that the work speeded up as per the requirement of the people at the state. But then that delay was because of this. That's why I wanted the details of this concessionaire. The question is, sir, since the work has been handed over to Nahai, is the cost being borne by the state or by Nahai, sir?
Sir, that is borne by the Nahai itself, because this project has been handed over by the state government way back in 2010 to Nahai, to National Highway Authority of India. Number two, sir, I just wanted to inform the honourable member that the concessionaire's name is MS Shillong Expressway Limited.
Sir, the Belly Bridge, till last week before the session started, I had passed through that area, and only the base work, the column work was about to be completed, and it will take some time for the cement to set in and then be able to, for utilization. So maybe another 2 weeks only for the cement to set. So the setting has to be there. So therefore, sir, these technicalities has to be looked into. I would request the Honourable Deputy CM for constant supervision and speeding up, so that the Belly Bridge can be completed at the earliest. Because till now, sir, there are reports that late night there are overloaded trucks that are passing through the old bridge just adjacent to the construction site, and it is causing a concern for all of us, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir, the points noted. And in fact, as I've already stated, I've already informed the honourable members of this August House that day before yesterday we received a letter officially from the Nahai that the concreting work was completed fully. And then, number two, Nahai, through the concessionaire, has handed over this portion to the BRO, because all the materials, as far as BRO is concerned, it has already reached at site, and now laying or launching of belly is now started, sir. It has just started. So, well, I have already, in fact, assigned Chief Engineer National Highway to monitor this on a regular basis, and not only that, sir, even Chief Secretary at the level of Chief Secretary and the additional Chief Secretary, they are monitoring, and then they keep having a meeting on a regular basis, sir.
Thank you, sir.